In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn your Zoho Books Certification. This certification is a fantastic way to demonstrate your proficiency with Zoho Books, and it can be a valuable addition to your professional credentials. Let's walk through the entire process together step by step to ensure you have a smooth and successful experience. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and navigate to Zoho's official certification portal. This is the place where you'll manage your certification process, and it's important to use Chrome as it ensures compatibility with Zoho's website. Once you're on the portal, the next thing you'll do is register an account if you haven't already. It's crucial to provide accurate information during this step, as this is how Zoho will track your progress through the certification process. Once you're registered, you'll be able to select the specific certification exam you're interested in, which in this case is the Zoho Books Certification exam. Make sure to choose the correct exam, as there are multiple options available. This exam will test your knowledge of Zoho Books, so being thorough in your preparation is key. After selecting your exam, it's time to hit the books. Literally. Zoho provides a wealth of learning materials and tutorials specifically designed to help you succeed. These materials are comprehensive and cover all the topics you need to master for the certification. Take your time to go through these resources, making notes and highlighting any areas you find challenging, as this will greatly aid your understanding and retention. To reinforce what you've learned, it's beneficial to take advantage of any practice quizzes offered. These quizzes mimic the format of the actual certification exam and are invaluable for getting you accustomed to the types of questions you'll encounter. As you complete these quizzes, pay close attention to the areas where your scores are lower and focus your studies there. Once you feel confident in your knowledge and have consistently done well on the practice quizzes, it's time to schedule your certification exam. Zoho allows you to complete the exam online, providing flexibility in choosing a time that works best for you. Make sure to pick a quiet environment, free from distractions, where you can focus entirely on the task at hand. After completing the exam, you'll receive your results. If you've passed, congratulations! You'll have the opportunity to download your certificate directly from the portal. This certificate is a testament to your hard work and proficiency with Zoho Books. Be sure to save it in a safe place and consider adding it to your professional profiles or resume to showcase your new credentials. And there you have it. You're now ready to embark on your journey to becoming Zoho Books certified. Best of luck, and remember to take full advantage of all the available resources to ensure your success.